Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: unlocked device, charged, and a recent backup, because changes can affect app behavior. Once ready, open Settings, swipe down and tap the gear or use the app drawer. Use the Settings search to jump straight to default apps or apps. This saves time and prevents digging through menus. Make sure to allow any permission prompts that appear, because you'll need app permissions to change defaults for web, dialer, SMS, and assistant. Now proceed to the defaults panel. You'll now change each category one by one so the system routes actions correctly. Tap Browser to select your preferred browser. This sets click behavior, then phone and SMS to assign call and messaging handling. Once done, select Digital Assistant to choose voice handling and Home app to pick your launcher. This affects gestures and home button behavior. Make sure to review permissions and battery optimization for each chosen app, because restricted permissions can break functionality. If you finish by testing every change. Open a link to confirm the chosen browser, place a call to verify the dialer, and trigger the assistant to check voice handling. If the app you want isn't listed, install it or go to the current app's app info and clear its defaults so your choice appears. Once done, restart the device to apply lingering settings. If something goes wrong, reset app preferences, but only after backups, because that will clear all custom app associations and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.